Hi, I'm Tariq, Product Manager for OEM Products at Asa Abloy Australia. Today, I've got one of the most exciting new products to share with you, the Yale Aeron Window Control System, the latest addition into our Yale Smart products. Always finding ways to make lives easier for our customers and our installers, our latest product offering is a real game changer. The Aeron Window Control System centers around a brand new motor-driven chain winder for those hard-to-reach windows or those heavier ones. These systems traditionally needed a maze of wiring all around the home to connect them together, but we got rid of all of that with wireless technology. Aside from the simplified installation, going wireless opens up endless possibilities. The Aeron can now also be managed with the all-new wireless remote, capable of controlling up to 30 windows all around your home, with flexible grouping options, including an all-windows group, saving time and effort. Even better, and Aussie first, you can have operational control and live status from anywhere using the Yale Home app on your smart device, just like your Yale Smart locks. Smart Home control and automation adds to your green home setup too, saving the environment and your energy bills. The whisper quiet powered window operation easily opens those heavy double or triple glazed windows and also closes tight for good sealing, all enhancing your insulation. And real-time reaction to weather changes when you're away provides unparalleled ventilation control. There's so many more things I could talk about because the new Aeron Window system really does open a world of possibilities. Let your imaginations run wild thinking about how this system could make life better for you. And jump on the website or talk to your local sales representative to find out more. Experience a safer and more open world with the new Yale Aeron Window Control System.